What's going on, guys? Cronic the Gamer here with another Chronic Craft episode, and you guys see I'm wearing beautiful iron with some lingerie. And yeah, in this episode we're going to be doing quite a few things, actually. First of which, we're going to try to, make the mob grinder, and second of which, we are going to go mining for diamonds so we can put that mob grinder to use. And off screen, I did some work on this right here because, why not? I might as well. So, yeah. And we ended up here. So, let's see. I need more, I need to cover more wall. So, boom, boom. And then one right there, and we must make sure that all of the torches are on the ground here. So, and then break that, that, and that. Yeah, so, just like that. It's perfect. So, it'll lead to, like, right here. What we're gonna want is... Oh, that's mossy cobblestone. That's moss stone. Okay, so, we need this. We need the good stuff. Okay, so let's see. Does water... Hold up, let me see. Let me test it right here first. Does science, like, hold back water? Or no? Okay, yeah, they do. Okay, so we're good. Because back then, at one point, they didn't work like that, so... I have to make sure. Okay, so we're gonna want them to drop to, like, right here, I believe. So we're gonna want... We want them to drop here, so... Put that there, along with that. Cause, yeah. Pretty sure that's how it goes. Pretty much all we have to do. Remove these torches. And hope nothing spawns in here. So. Okay. Then let's just take this, put this here. Block this off right there. So they won't get stuck, Okay, so. All we want to do is hurry up and do this and then run. Oh god, no. No. Okay. So, they're already spawning, so we need to be careful. Oh god, no. And they're gonna be spawning more now. Okay. No. Back. Okay, we're gonna need this stuff here. Hopefully. Boom. Perfect. Then just place that on top, Dang, we can't do that. Huh. Okay, this is gonna be more difficult than I thought. So, let me see. Has to be a certain angle. Let me just break all this stuff right here. Just so I can get back there. because we need to get back there to see the problem. Okay, so I know what the problem is. Okay, so they don't drop down far enough, that's all. Okay. I understand now. Okay, we're gonna need a lot more signs. Do you have more wood on us? No, we do not. Of course we don't. Why would we ever have anything that we need? So, I really don't feel like putting up with this gravel, but I guess I have to, or I can just come over here. And we don't have any sticks either, because then I could have just made a shovel. So let me just go up here then. I guess we're not going to go mining today. This is just going to be a strictly mob grinder episode. So, I'm sorry that I disappointed anybody who was looking forward to, watching me go mining. I don't know why. I mean, it's nothing spectacular, but in case you were, I apologize. And yeah, I guess, I don't know. But yeah, we need to find our way up here. Okay, there's a skeleton over here. Die! Okay, he can get me, but I can't get him. That's cheating. That's cheating. You hacker, bruh. You hacker, bruh. Okay, I got him. 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 We only really need one tree, basically. So, just take this tree. Let's take it right here. Like I don't even care what I don't even care about asking for his opinion, for his approval. I'm just gonna take him. I'm just gonna steal this tree. And, go home with it. Okay, so this is the weird part about it. I hate trees like this. I really do. Okay, I guess if it doesn't regenerate, I don't know. I guess it. Oh God! Oh, that scared me. I was running to a spider's butt. Okay, so let's go make some stuff, I guess. I don't know. These are a lot of twists and turns. We need to make a minecart really fast. Like, really soon. Okay, so we really need to put a chest down because our inventory is really full. So let's just I don't know why this stuff is all spread out, but it is, so, it is what it is. Not gonna complain. So, okay. 4, okay, do that. See. And we're gonna have a lot of signs and stuff. Oh, they only stack up to that, I guess. Okay, they don't stack past 16. You know that now. Well, I should have known that before, but I didn't, so yeah. Okay, so first of all, just do that because it's going to be annoying. Second off, let's make a shovel because this gravel is going to be annoying. Okay, there we go. We got us a shovel. Okay, picked up this stuff. Boom, boom, boom. Hold up, I just realized something. I found, why didn't I not think of this before? Make it easier, you know? Boom. Simple as that. We ain't even got to go through all that other stuff. Just do that. Boom. Okay, this is gonna be a little more difficult. Well, not really, because all I gotta do is do like that. Boom. See that? Math. Well, not math, science. Not really science either. And we're gonna need some blocks to put right here. Just place them right here, like a head, you know. Are we good then? We good. So we could just mine, I guess. Hopefully. We don't run into any more. Okay, the mouse spawner is here. Okay, so it's here. So let's like climb up, like build up, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so okay. This is actually more difficult than it seems. Okay, and we're gonna need this. And that's our way in and out. Hup, 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 hup. And get ready to rumble. Hup. Okay, so. No, what are you doing? Okay. Okay. What are you doing? No. I guess I'm gonna have to go in here, I guess. I don't know. I don't want to. I don't wanna. Come on, go back. Go, go. No, bad, bad. Go back. No. Come on, okay. Boom. Did one of them just drop iron? The heck? Okay. We're gonna get some iron, some gear from him, which we did. Okay, I keep thinking these are cobwebs. Okay, now we have to go back here. Because I'm pretty sure, okay, my inventory isn't full, so. This is gonna be a long ride. Okay, so I know what we have to do. It's just gonna be really difficult to do. Boom. Got all that. What gear is this? Projectile protection depth strider. Just depth strider. Okay, I guess. Well, I don't know what to say, but yeah, I guess I got some stuff, so guess I should be happy. I don't know. And we're gonna put all this extra stuff away, so. Yeah, and I'm sorry guys if my conversation isn't very like interesting or anything like that, but I'm really trying to focus on doing this, which is actually very difficult to do because it's hard to accomplish this when you can. Okay, we're gonna need a lot more water than I thought we were, so let's just grab that and then grab this. Okay, well, oh god, no. And I'm back, guys. People rudely interrupted me, so yeah, that's that. Okay, so I understand what I have to do. It's gonna be difficult. Okay, so it's gonna drain through here. So, probably like place a sign here. I think it'll drain through there. Okay, well it's not finna come through here, so we can just block this off and take that sign, you know. It's not coming through there. We've established that it's not gonna come through here, just off of, you know, basics. So we're gonna have to do a lot more. This is gonna be a lot more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. So let's get to work, and this is gonna actually be a quick tutorial for you guys as well. Okay, so if I do like that, it'll rise up. So what if I like do like that? Okay, so let me just test this out. Okay, so most likely we're gonna have to put another sign right here to stop that from flowing into that. And then let's see, how would that work as far as that? Okay, so will this push this into there? That's what I want to know. Okay, so will this push me? And no, it will not. So what if we take a slab, which we only have one of now? What if instead of that, we place a slab there? Then it can, yep, there it is. Okay, that pushes me up, so we are good on that. So hold up, let me just come back here and try this again just to make sure, double check, make sure it works. So I'm just gonna go in through here and it's gonna push me up like that. Okay, and we're gonna go through there. So we're gonna have to do that a few more times, which I am not looking forward to, because it's gonna be difficult, and I left all the other stuff in there. So I'm gonna have to come through here and, you know, yeah, get these slabs back. And no, we don't need more slabs, but we just need to get up in here. This is really difficult. Usually I do most of this setting up on screen. Setting up off screen, actually, it's backwards. Boom. 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 No, 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 buddy. No, buddy. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so, no, stop it. Okay, well, I already have that, so I don't know what I'm talking about anymore at this point. I really don't. All I know is I need to get that bucket of water because it's going to be frustrating. Got it. Okay, so get this other bucket of water as well. Well, we don't really need to because we can make an infinite water source already, so. Let me see. Can I go farther back? No, that would break into the wall. Can I go down at all? Any bit? Okay, yeah, I'd be good. Boom. Okay, so what we need to do is place a sign right here to stop that water from flowing. So now that water won't go into there. We can get an infinite water source and we will be okay. So, okay, we need to get these 2 buckets filled as well. It's gonna be difficult. Okay. So let's see. Are we able to create? Yeah, we're able to create another one right here. So it'll have to be like right here then. Then boom, boom. Just like that. Then that'll flow along through here. Which means a sign needs to go like right here then. Yeah, sign needs to go like right here. Okay, so now if we just flow them around, don't know. I really don't know, bruh. Okay, so the water will flow through here. Flow. Well, we can go up again right here. Then, yeah, just like that. And then the water can go. It'll just here, which means another sign is needed right about here. Water go here. Then we could just, go around. We broke into a cave here. I'm not familiar with. Oh god, and there's a skeleton, so we're gonna have to go fight this guy because he's a wicked guy. So, oh god, no, no, no. Okay, we got the baddie, the worst one out the way. Okay, we can explore this a different time, actually. We don't have time for this right now. Okay. Well, at least we found, something. So we can explore this later on. Somewhere later on down the line. And let's see. So. We could actually go another one right here. Place that there. And that means the sign will have to go here. Yeah. Boom. Let's just do like that. Roll that off. So, we need to find our way back to the main area. Okay, so straight that way will take us straight this way. Break right there. So how about we break like this? So we could just tell. Break like that. Break that going all the way up. Put like a torch there or something. And then the sign under it. Drop zone. Boom. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that actually works out perfect. Because we can just continue this way. We should be able to. Okay, no. Drop zone is right here then. Okay. So we can actually just, at this point, we actually can just, go up. So, okay. Let's just have this, like, go around, just swoop around. 1, 2, 3. Boom, just like that. Then it could just swoop straight in there, like intended, and we should be good. And a sign would need to go here. So, from the looks of it, all we have to do is cover up the stuff and get everything in its place. Just place all the water down, basically, and we should be good. Okay, so first we would have to place one here, which would push us along this way. Then, which means we would need another one here. I want to get all my buckets on here, so let's just do that real quick. Just get all the buckets on here. Boom. Boom. We would need one more, actually. Let's just go along with the flow, see what's gonna happen, and yeah. Okay, so it doesn't make it all the way there. So actually, we can do one more. Just go up one more step. Boom. Okay, so that should be good. That should be good right there. Okay, so get that, and boom, boom, boom. Boom, we got it. And we can make the grinder here. But actually, we can go down some more. Okay, so we good on that. Now all we gotta do is put it in action. That's all I really gotta do is put it in action. So yeah. I'm gonna have to build this out some. Just like that. And let's just do like this. So we can get in there and mine it, but we don't want them to be able to get out. Because there are baby zombies there as well. So yeah, we should be good on that. Okay, we're gonna need more water. We're gonna actually need one more, just one. We're gonna have to actually go all the way up here and do this. Wow. Matter of fact, no we're not. I know exactly what I'm finna do. What I'm about to do. Not finna. How about we just take that real quick. Make a quick infinite water source. Real quick. Boom. 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 Then place that back. Then boom. Now we straight. Okay. So what we have to be careful of is these. Run away! Boom. Just like that. So we should be good, and hold up. Just make a quick little window so we can watch them, you know. Then to see through, we could just, you know, crouch. Boom. Just make sure. That's just to check and make sure everything works right. And boom, we got ourselves a working mob grinder, guys. Yeah, boy. Okay, so that required a lot more work than I expected. So, well, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. I hope you guys did enjoy watching me build a mob grinder. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, stay chill, my friends. Cronic the Gamer signing out. Peace.